Dear friends, welcome to Nityavin Padivugal. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting topic: rules to add integers. You may think this is a complicated topic. It is always complicated to add positive and negative integers together, negative and positive integers together, negative and negative integers together. You may feel it is very easy to add positive integers only, but it is not like that. There are simple rules to add integers. You may get many number of integers to add with positive and negative integers. You may get integers with positive and negative signs. But after viewing this complete video, you will get to know a clear vision to add integers. I'm going to show you the easiest way to understand the positive integers and the negative integers and the way of adding integers. Shall we go? Come, let us see. Adding integers. While adding two integers, here I have started with adding two integers. Of course, this video is about adding two integers. After understanding this concept, the same concept will be applicable to any extent of numbers, any extent of integers. While adding 3 integers or 4 integers or 10 integers, the same rule will be applicable. Okay? So, first let us start with adding 2 integers. Now, while adding 2 integers, we may have 3 cases. What are they? Both the integers may be positive. Both the integers may be negative, which means integers with a negative sign, minus sign. And the third case is one integer could be positive and another one could be negative. You may feel this case could be difficult, but it's not like that. Let me tell you how to understand how to add them together. Okay? So, let us see the first case. If both are positive integers, add the numerical values and put the same sign, which means the positive sign or plus sign. If both are integers with a plus sign, then add the numerical values only and then put the same sign plus. See, example, plus 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 5. This plus in yellow color denotes the operator addition. Operation. What is the operation here? Addition is the operation. This is the operator for addition. Here, plus 2 denotes positive value of 2, gain, income, like that. 3 with plus sign, positive value of 3, plus 5, positive value of 5. Now imagine you are getting 2 chocolates from your mother and 3 chocolates from your mother again, or from your father also. But the concept is you are getting 2 chocolates and 3 more chocolates. So, what will be the result? In both the cases, you are getting only. So, the final answer will be having the getting symbol plus. How many did you get? 2 and 3. So, totally 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Right. This is the basic concept for positive integers. This is a very easy way to understand adding positive integers. So, you are getting 2 chocolates and again getting 3 chocolates. So, totally you got 5 chocolates. So, how many chocolates did you get? 5. Did you get or did you give? You got, right? So, plus symbol is this sign of getting, receiving. Okay? This is a profit you are getting. Okay? Next, if both are negative integers, then add the numbers and put same sign, which means negative sign, because we have problem with negative integers, which means integers with minus sign. If we have to add two integers and if both are integers with the minus sign, then add the numerical values and then put the same minus sign. Let us see how to explain this. Now, you are giving. Negative means you are losing. There is a loss. So, you are giving 2 chocolates to your sibling, either elder one or younger one or any cousin. You are giving 2 chocolates to your brother or sister. And then they are asking for more. 3 more. They are asking for all the chocolates you have. Then what will you do? Because of the love and care which you have on your brother or sister, you wish to give all the remaining 3 to him or her, right? So, first you give 2 and then you give 3. So, totally you gave 5. How will you count this? 2 are given, 3 are given. So, 2 plus 3, 5 are given. That is what we have mentioned here. Add the numbers. Then put the same sign minus, because the sign minus denotes the action giving. So, if you are losing anything again and again, as a result, you have lost everything, right? So, giving 2 and again giving 3 means giving totally 5. So, minus 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So, let us recall, positive plus positive is equal to positive. Negative plus negative is equal to negative. Okay. One more example I can tell you. Moving forward 2 steps from the place you are standing, you are moving 2 steps ahead. Moving forward 2 steps. And then after 2 steps, you are moving forward 3 steps. So, the final position will be 5 steps forward from your initial place at which you had stood up. Okay? So, if positive sign denotes moving forward, negative sign obviously denotes moving backward. If you are moving backward from position 0, then moving 2 steps backward will be denoted by minus 2. Moving 3 steps backward will be denoted by minus 3. So, how many steps totally you have moved backwards? Which is nothing than 2 steps and 3 steps, which means 5 steps totally you have moved backwards. So, the backwards is replaced by the sign minus. I hope you got it. I have given you well explanation to understand positive and negative very well. Let us see the third case, which you are thinking very complicated. While adding 2 integers, if one is positive integer and another one is negative integer, then what to do? Subtract them. Oh, it is enough to subtract. But how to subtract? Subtract smaller number from bigger number without thinking about their signs. Okay, without thinking about their signs, subtract smaller number, smaller numerical value from bigger numerical value, and then put the sign of bigger number. why to do this? How to do this? How is it possible? You may get many questions, right? Let me tell you the same kind of explanation. Now, you are giving 2 chocolates to your brother and you are getting 3 chocolates from your mother. Then how many chocolates will you have in your hand? See, 3 in your hand, you gave 2, so you will be having 3 minus 2 chocolates in your hand. You will be having. So that having word is replaced by plus. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now you have 1 chocolate, so the word have is replaced by plus sign. You got 1 chocolate. Okay? At last you got 1 chocolate only. So 1 is the number of chocolates you got. The word got, the word profit is replaced by plus. Okay? Now, from the rule, let us see, one is negative and one is positive. Now what we have done is, just consider the numbers 3 and 2, subtract 2 from 3, which means 3 minus 2. Then put the sign of bigger number. Here the bigger number is 3, so plus sign. Okay? Which is equal to, now 3 minus 2 is 1. The sign is plus, so plus 1. That's all. Now you people are only going to tell the next example. Let me tell you. I hope you have understood very well now. Plus 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus of 3 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. See, now what do you mean by plus sign? Receiving, getting profit, getting income, like that. Now you tell me, you get 2 chocolates from your mother and so this is your profit, and you have to give 3 chocolates to your sibling. So what to do? From 3 only 2 should be given. So 3 minus 2 is done here. But we have more loss than profit. We have to give more than we are receiving. So there is a loss. The word loss, the action, getting loss, is denoted by minus sign, which is equal to numerical value 3 minus 2 is 1 with a negative sign. So minus 1. See, from position 0, you are moving 2 steps forward and then you are moving backwards. How many steps? 3 steps. So totally at which position you are? How many steps you have reached from the starting position? 3 minus 2 is the numerical value with a negative sign, because you will be at a position which is backward to your starting position. So the word backward, the position backward is replaced by negative sign. So you are now at 1 step behind your initial position. This is the explanation that will give you better understanding. Okay? I hope you have understood the concept very well. So just keep practicing. I hope you will be feeling very easy to handle any number of, to add any number of integers, positive or negative. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching. For more maths videos, for more useful videos, kindly subscribe to my channel Nithya Vinpadivagal. Thank you.